Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I'm going to show you a beautiful townhouse in Belmont, North Carolina. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, just under 1,600 square feet. I really like it, but I want to know your thoughts on it. Stick around. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like any one of those things, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we drop new videos. This community is called Belmont Crossing, and the current price for this home is $290,000. Now, I did a video a little bit ago about its sister floor plan in this community called the Belmont. This floor plan is called the Abbey, and you can check that out right here. Belmont is located in Gaston County, but it's only 20 to 25 minutes away from Uptown Charlotte, which is the city center. Take a look at this property and remember to hit that like button and also leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are about this property. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how that the sweet percussion. Oh, you beats my touching.